Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer data iPhone to Android. Open Copy My Data app in both devices and wait until you get this page. Click on Next and select Wi-Fi on both devices. And it will pop up like this, searching devices. So select the device iPhone popped up in Android. Then I'm gonna tap Receive Data. Put the code 7288. Now it's connected. Then select photos, calendar, videos, contacts, whatever you wanna transfer. Next. Now it's done. Now go back to your gallery. Here you can see these are the photos I share from iPhone to Android. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care.